will unsubscribe you. Because my visuals are shit.
It's Joe, the professional expert mountain biker.
Oh, you can see.
Oh shit, dude, you're going too slow.
You can film it from the tire. It'll be so nice when the tire is going.
It'll also be nice when the GoPro goes under the tire and gets broken, no? Ah. Actually, that's a good perspective. Oh, dude, you're moving too damn fast.
Waterproof, Daniel.
It's also idiot proof.
Oh, my feet.
Oh my god. Ah. This is so hard cycling with one hand. Ah.
Oh, me.
And this is Joe, the professional expert pro plus mountain biker. Stop recording. Stop recording. Super duper mountain biker.
My face, I'm gonna need something real. When I work the night shift till late in the PM, I'm California dreaming. Yeah, you.